Want to know one of my best organized home secrets? You can have a clean and tidy home without actually having to put a lot of effort into it. The secret is to add incidental cleaning to the small routines that you already have in your day. So, when you're going about your day and you're cooking, or you're doing the laundry, or you're giving the kids a bath, driving places, doing drop offs and pickups, there are little things that you can do that don't feel like a lot of extra effort at the time, but they keep everything looking lovely as if you've done a dedicated clean. Let's talk about a few examples. You can add one or more of these ideas to your day and you'll see the difference immediately. So, the first one is when you are waiting for the kettle to boil for your morning cup of coffee, that's when you unstack your dishwasher. And now it's empty, so you can stack it as you go throughout the day, and hopefully everybody else does too. And then you won't have a sink full of dirty dishes or dishes piled up on the kitchen counter. The next thing you could try is whenever you're waiting for your pasta water to boil or for your oven to heat up when you're making dinner, clean one shelf in your kitchen cupboard. So now you're always going to have clean interiors, no dust, no crumbs, because one shelf at a time only takes a couple of minutes. But over the year, as you go through each shelf in each cupboard, it's like you've taken care of it effortlessly. Whenever you open the fridge to make a snack or lunch or dinner, take a quick look for any expired food items or produce that can't be used anymore because it's just gone a little too far, and get rid of that as you go every time you open the fridge throughout the week. Because when you take care of one or two items at a time, it saves that really big fridge clean out that you have to do on shopping day. Whenever you're keeping an eye on the kids in the bath, take a quick moment to spray and wipe your bathroom mirror and your bathroom counter. This one's really handy. You will never have toothpaste marks in the sink again because you're doing it every day, but it only takes a quick minute. Keep a pack of freezer bags in your car, in your glove box, along with a packet of cleaning wipes. And then whenever you're doing drop-offs or pickups or you're running errands, just quickly scan your car, grab any rubbish, chuck it in one of the bags, grab a wipe, wipe down any sticky surface in the car. If you have toddlers, things will get sticky. And then just pop the wipe in the bag as well. And then when you get out of the car, you just throw it away in the nearest garbage bin. If you're watching free-to-air TV and an ad break comes on, use that ad break time to quickly tidy the room that you're sitting in. Whenever you're on the phone, if you're just chatting with a friend or a family member, put your phone on speaker or pop your earbuds in, and that way you can organize a drawer or a shelf in your bedroom as you chat. Whenever you put laundry on to wash on a Monday, wipe down the washing machine too, and that way it stays clean every week, but you haven't made a big job of it. Oh, and the next time you check your mailbox, take a dustpan and brush with you and give the mailbox a once over and just kind of sweep away any spider webs or cobwebs. And the next time you're in next time you're in the shower, use a dish wand to clean the shower while you're in it. Obviously, get a spare one just for this job. Don't use the one you wash your dishes with. So those are my favorite ways to do incidental cleaning so it doesn't feel like extra effort, but my house stays pretty clean and my car too. I'd love to know your examples of this if you have them. And yeah, I hope you found this helpful. If you're ready for the next step in organizing your home the easy way, you might want to check out my popular House and Family binder. It's a simple set of prints, really, really simple, to help you get organized and run your household without stress or overwhelm. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.